Robert, these are all handmade?
Yeah, man, babes.
Wow. So you mean to tell me that you have this talent all this time? This is great.
Yeah, man, it's a lot of things really, but just hungry, you know?
Yes. So Robert, is you draw this?
No, you know, only the frame, like, get the picture, glue it on, frame it up and burn.
This is creative. I just love everything that you do.
Yeah, man, I have a whole heap of talent in another year, isn't it?
I think you should invest in this. As a matter of fact, I am going to invest in this.
No problem.
Yeah.
That sounds good. You know, I have something on the thing for the fitted out there.
Yeah? Let me see it.
I think this will look very nice, you know?
That look nice.
Great.
Yeah. Wow.
Perfect. Well done.
You like it?
Yeah, man.
You like it for me?
Fit the complexion and everything, you know?
Thank you.
Never lie.
I like it. Feel nice.
Okay, let's say a year old, man.
You miss her?
Yeah, you know? Yeah, man. The time when I look for Ashley, you know?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think she will be the reason. She should be the reason for you to continue doing this.
Uncle Perry, we're reading.
Sure. What we're reading today? Robert, can I take this off? I want to read on special occasion.
Oh, like you say, it's special.
Yeah?
You know, this special Lord.
Yes. So Ashley, what book are you reading today? Rainbow Readers.